Raven Project is brought to you by Big Time. Attract, develop, grow.
That means what I think it means. We're in trouble.
Case IH. Rethink productivity.
Dear Lord in heaven.
Hawk Optics. Vision accomplished.
Hey, what is Sam Hill?
Deer Grow. Better food plots, bigger deer. Scentlock. The most effective whitetail gear ever made.
Better find myself some camouflage.
Bring the band in. Woo. Well, all right. Yeah, they want me to fit in, but I can't. I'm too different with it. Too advanced to think. You know my intuition. I got bars and ink, but never in a prison. Too far gone, never gonna sit and listen. Let's go.
Scentlock as a whole, from what I've seen that company start at and where it is today, is incredible. Because I mean, at the end of the day, I was using and trusting in Scentlock clothing well before any television, well before the Raven Project or Headhunters. And just to be able to see that product line develop over the years, it's been truly incredible, man. From not only, you know, the scent technology, but also just the quality of garments. You know, I've seen a company that started out with basically just a shell suit to a company that's got a full line of some of the best developed whitetail products out there, you know, from early season stuff to mid-season to late season, everywhere in between. They have a system that works in any weather condition, no matter what part of the country that you're in. And it's honestly some of the most well thought out, well put together garments that that's ever been made. We've been chasing this sucker, I mean, all year long. From the fit of the clothing to the design to the mobility, I can get around in the tree. I don't have to bulk up anymore. You know, with the heated series, like the heated vest, I don't have to bulk up, wear a ton of clothes, and diminish my mobility in the tree. I can get around easily, and that's exactly, as a bow hunter, what you're looking for. Because, you know, so many times you got to put on so many layers of clothes, you got to bulk up so much, and by the time you get in the tree, you're like the Michelin Man. You can't even move around. And with the Bowhunter Elite Series, especially being able to layer up just like the vest I have on now, I can get by with so much less clothing than what I would have been able to before. It's definitely changed the game for a bow hunter. Man, I can tell you, if my clothes could talk, there's no telling the stories that it would be able to tell, just because I have worn and trusted Scentlock for so long, so many years, over so many hunts around this world, that it's definitely just about seeing everything and seeing it all, for sure.
Raven Project is brought to you by Outdoor Edge Knives, Field to Freezer, and everything in between. Hooeyman, your land, your legacy.
We're not out of the woods yet, son.
On X Hunt app, know where you stand. Baker Implement, trusted equipment of the Raven Project.